When it comes to protecting your vehicle, you should never have to compromise. Introducing the BlackVue DR900X Plus series dash cams. With a new and improved 4K ultra-high resolution front camera, you'll capture the most critical details day and night. BlackVue's seamless pairing means that it's easier than ever before to connect to your dash cam without ever having to leave the BlackVue app. We understand that you are not always going to be with your vehicle. The DR900X Plus series makes it easy to stay connected by using the optional LTE Connectivity Module or by simply connecting to a mobile hotspot. Now you'll enjoy the benefits of the BlackVue Cloud, such as remote live view or impact notifications. And with built-in voltage monitoring, you can hardwire your BlackVue without having to worry about draining your vehicle's battery. The DR900X Plus series also features BlackVue's new mobile hotspot function, letting you turn your LTE-connected dash cam into a wireless hotspot to connect up to 5 devices while on the go. BlackVue DR900X Plus series, the ultimate 4K cloud dash cam. Find yours at BlackVue.com.